Dear students, let us discuss the topic algebraic expression. In this video, I am going to discuss some basic terms used in the chapter algebraic expression. So what is the definition of algebraic expression, or what do you mean by algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is built up from constants, variables and algebraic operations such as addition, subtraction, etc. So let us discuss this definition by taking some examples. So some examples of algebraic expression. First, x plus 3. So here variable is x. Then 2y minus 4. Variable is y. 5x square. X is the variable. And 4xy plus 9. X and y both are variables. So in such way, more algebraic expressions can be formed. What are the terminologies used in algebraic expression? In the following algebraic expression, so I am taking 7x plus 3. So 7x and 3, these are terms. Here x is the variable, 7 is the coefficient and 3 is the constant. Here, this is the definition of terminologies. 7x plus 3 is our example. Here, x is a variable whose value is unknown and can be of any value. The value of the expression changes with the value chosen for the variable it contains. Here, 7 is known as coefficient of variable x. 3 is the constant value term of a definite value. Next example, 7xy minus 5x. The expression has two terms, 7xy and minus 5x. The first term 7xy is the product of factors 7, x and y. 7 is the numerical factor and x and y are the variables. The second term minus 5x is the product of factors minus 5 and x. And here minus 5 is the numerical factor and x is the variable. Then what are the types of algebraic expression? First, monomial. Expression that contains only one term is called as monomial. Examples, 3xy. This is one term. Like this, 4x square, 10y, 9, 82xyz, all are the algebraic expressions having one term. So these are known as monomials. Then binomial. Expression that contains two terms is called binomial. Examples, a plus b. Here two terms are there, a and b. 4l plus 5m. Two terms are 4l and 5m. 3x minus 5y. Two terms are 3x and minus 5y. 5 minus 6xyz. Two terms 5 and minus 6xyz. So all our algebraic expressions are binomials. Then trinomial. An expression containing three terms is known as trinomial. Examples, a plus b plus c, 2x plus 3y minus 5, xy square plus x square minus y square. All these algebraic expressions has three terms. So these are known as trinomial. Then polynomial. In general, an expression contains one or more terms with non-zero coefficient, that means with variables having non-negative exponents, is called a polynomial. That means the variables should have exponents non-negative integers. A polynomial may contain any number of terms, one or more than one. That means monomial, binomial, trinomial, all are polynomials. Examples are there. Then what are like and unlike terms? Like terms are the terms having same algebraic part, that means same variable part. That means here some terms are given, so from this like terms are first set 7x, 19x, minus 13x. These are like terms because they have x. Second set 5x square minus 9x square. Third set 7xy and minus 5yx. So here they have xy and yx. So these are all about some terms using the chapter algebraic expression. So thank you.